What's up, Gromlins? Guess what we got in today? Big old box. This big box is the wheelie bar. Unboxing for you guys. Shoo. All wrapped up so you can't see it. Comes with a little hardware pack and some stickers. Thing's really nice. Came super fast too. Came in like 4 days. Say hello to my dog. I just got off work and I got this package when I came home, so I'm gonna be doing this install video tomorrow when it's light out. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day. Got the wheelie bar. I'm installing it. It's the Grom.
Oh fuck, it's on me. No, you're good.
Got this fender eliminator on there already. I need to take this off first so I can mount that wheelie bar. Rear subcage, what you want to call it. First you have to take out these 4 bolts. Rear eliminator gone. Just gotta remove these side caps. That washer is gonna go through the plastic and line up with here on both sides.
Spacer.
No, spacer, sorry. Spacer is gonna go through the plastic, and then it's gonna go bolt, washer, spacer, frame, and then you got these little gold guys. It's gonna go bolt, washer, through, spacer,
And
no. I had to set the camera down and have him hold it while I was putting it on because it is a pretty tight fit. Between here, you have to kind of like almost bend it outwards to get it on there.
you had to squeeze it.
Use my strong hand. Watched a couple other videos and they don't explain where the washers could go, and so I mean it's just common sense. It's always bolt, washer, through, washer, this. Since there's 8 washers and 4 of these bolts, that tells you what you need to do. Yeah, these back ones kind of don't line up very easily.
Bring a hammer.
So I took a little mini hammer. Just be careful not to fuck the threading up on the bolt. So you're gonna 11mm socket and ratchet, 11mm open-ended wrench. Tuck these wires back in. So you're gonna come along with this problem. You're gonna have this fucking license plate bulb. We'll get to that in a second. The reason I only have a bulb sticking through that is because I stripped they're super shitty nuts that go onto the stock fender, and I stripped it on there. So all I could do was pull the bulb out and then put it through that thing. A little occupancy. So it's got these Delrin pucks on the outside. It's really nice. You can exchange them when they wear down and fucking crash and drop them, etc. Yeah, I really like the look of this. Let's take the license plate off. Got her on there. Pretty good. Shoo, got the wheelie bar. Got the license plate plate mounted. I need to get a new light that comes down and adheses on the bottom here. She's looking pretty sick. This video was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe. That's my helper. Hell yeah. Peace out.